I got an idea about something new.
How about you guys actually locate your dicks?
Remove the shrink wrap and fucking use them. Sherman!
Hey!
What the fuck are you doing here?
We're here for the party?
What party? There's no party. Weird. Try the house down the street. You guys are pathetic. I'm gonna find myself a little hottie. Suck me, beautiful! Suck me, beautiful!
Damn it, Stifler.
Check out time.
You could at least look at me when you say that.
Look. Sarah, just relax. Take it slow. And let the good times roll.
Okay.
All right.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What is it?
You know, it's just like that college chick told me. All that you gotta do is just ask them questions and listen to what they have to say and shit.
I don't know, man. That sounds like a lot of work.
I thought that maybe...
Those guys sucked ass. Choir chick, what the hell are you doing here?
Well, I was asking Chris to prom. So do you want to go?
Oh, yeah. That would be great. Well, just don't expect Oz to pay for the limo. Stifler, fuck. I mean, why do you gotta be so insensitive all the time? What? Whatever. Look, don't forget, my cottage after prom on Lake Michigan. Hey, wait up, you pussy! Where are you going? Get out, baby!